Greetings from Shining 3D. This is Raymond, account manager for Additive lines. Now we are at TCT Asia 2020. Although the pandemic issue is still continuing somewhere in the world, but I can say people's enthusiasm is not reduced. So there are a lot of audience here. So this year, what Shining 3D have brought here, let's come follow me and let's have a look. So this is a very typical 3D printing parts that we cooperate with Australian professional heater radiator expert PWR. And besides this, we have introduced a complete solution of the tooling and molding applications. And over there, we can see some very charming big parts that was produced by our big metal 3D printers. Take an example, this part was exhaust hood that was produced on our M450 machines. And it was the metal powder is titanium alloy. And luckily, we have brought the M450 machine here. You can see the machine over there. And next, I will ask my colleague Sheldon to introduce you about the machine. Hi, Sheldon. Could you please have a brief introduction about our M450 machines?
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey guys. So this is our newly released metal printer, M450. It's a large-scale metal printer with the build volume of 455 by 455 and 500. So it consists of four units. On that part, it's the laser part, okay, which has option of single or dual laser, and here it's a control unit which has the PC and other electrical components. And in the middle, this is the build chamber, and we have equipped with movable build platform. So after the print is finished, we can move the platform to this part, the processing station here, to do the cleaning and removing. So here, you can see we have a glove box so that we can clean the parts without touching the powder. And after the cleaning is finished, we can open this door and to take out the part. Okay, so right now it's a bit crowded, so let's try to take a look at the software and the printing process. Okay, come on guys. So right now the printing is ongoing, so take a look. Right now we are printing a gas flow test part, which is a large part. You can see it's almost the full size of the built platform. And we have single or dual laser option for customer. And we have two-way distributing of the powder so that it can increase the printing efficiency, right? And we can add the powder from the top of the chamber, so which can enable us to add the powder without stopping the print. So how do we control the print process? So we have our self-developed software. You can see here. This is the main interface. And right now we are at the stage of the printing. And you can see the remaining time and the remaining layers and the starting time and the finish time. And you can see the current layer, right? And you can see all kinds of the sensor reading, which records or sense the current environment. And after the print finishes, we will have a report, which we record the print, all the readings of the printing process. which can help us to chase back if anything goes wrong. All right. So, and this software is a step-by-step design. So it makes it very easy for customer to learn and to use. After the basic training from us, they will be able to use the machine without difficulty. Okay, so that's the brief introduction of M450. Thank you, guys.
So basically, Sheldon has introduced most of information about our M450 machine. So besides M450 models, we have another 3 models, which is EPM 150, that was built for small parts production with high accuracy, and also EPM 250 that was equipped with dual laser 200 to 500 watt lasers, and also we have a much bigger one, M650 machines, that with 4 laser 500 laser. So as you can see, basically these are all the information of our metal additives machines. And if you have any questions or you want to cooperate with us, please send us an email or contact us directly.